Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are featuring this very hairy and very slimy okra plant. If you are new to my channel, don't forget also to like and subscribe. If you want to know more about this okra plant, then keep on watching. This okra is also suitable to be planted in a pot. Just make sure that the pot is big enough to accommodate a one whole plant. Guys, this okra plant needs a lot of sunlight and it should be exposed in the sunlight at least 8 hours a day, and it also needs a proper watering system. You can water this one, guys, at the morning or the late afternoon. So that's it, guys, for this video. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and see you in my next one. Bye!